मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा है।
Subscribe now.
Hey, hey, yes, 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 yes.
Oh wow, Tapu.
Ta-da-da.
Oh, instead of butter lentils, now I'll have to eat ball lentils.
Let it be, Grandpa. We are also ball kids, right?
Here you go, Dad. Today's newspaper.
Hey, Jetha, you are giving me this newspaper as if you have won a trophy. In a fight between Jetha and a lion, Jetha won. Give me.
No, no. Dad!
Oh, daughter-in-law.
Hit the brakes, Daya. Hit the
Tapu's
brakes.
Tapu's dad, my brother Sundar is coming.
If your brother is handsome, he should go to modeling. Why is he coming here?
No, Tapu's dad. Don't say anything to my brother Sundar. He's coming by train, and you should go to the airport to pick him up.
If he's coming by train, then why go to the airport?
You will only get an auto at the airport because there is an auto strike today.
Dad, let's go. Let's pick up Uncle from the train station.
Is your uncle a train that he'll only come up to the station? Can't he come any further than that? People like Sundar are meant to be dropped off at the station, not to be picked up.
Bapuji, look!
I should quietly slip away to the shop.
Hey, Jetha.
If Dad isn't there, won't Tapu go to the station to pick up his uncle?
That's right. You are my only dear child.
Aha! I am saying that Tapu won't go. You go, Mom. Huh? Come on, quietly. Oh, what is this, Mom?
Now the world will slay with joy because Dr. Gulati's invention will cause a sensation. I am taking this flying auto for a trial. Only then it will be ready for the world. 20 kilometers from the east, 40 kilometers from the north. Abdul's shop is my mark. My flying auto here only will be parked.
Oh my goodness me! It seems we won't get any auto today. I will tell my brother Sundar to go back to Ahmedabad and come back tomorrow again.
Mom, look, there is an open-air auto.
Upendra's auto?
An open-air auto, Mom.
The auto driver isn't visible here. I will drive the auto now to bring my brother home.
Huh?
Why there is a sound? You're fine, right?
Oh, yes.
My dear son.
Mom! Mom, wait! Mom!
Itayachi, apply the brakes! Oh no!
Please, Mom, drive slowly.
Here you go, sir. Soda with a dash of lemon.
No! Hey, run!
Hey, mister, at least pay my money. Drank my soda for free and broke the glass on top of that.
Mister, here a 60-degree right, 90-degree left. According to my Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Where is my invention? The mixture of metal. Go.
Hey, what are you trying to say?
Hey, where is my auto rickshaw?
Oh, Dayaji, it's good that you started driving auto rickshaw part-time. Nowadays, it's very difficult to get an auto rickshaw.
Sodiji! Please help! This auto rickshaw isn't stopping!
Oh no! I'll stop it right away.
Come on, Sodi uncle. Run fast. Faster.
Sodiji! Please do something! Do something!
Hey, Mom, who's driving the auto rickshaw?
Auto!
Oi! Oi! Come on, the part is clear now. Hey, what should I do with this auto? How do I stop it? Oh, idea!
Hey, what's happening?
How do we stop this?
Oh, God.
Hey, somebody stop the auto or else I'll shake the whole world.
Gogi, Goli, Sonu, you all come inside. It's lots of fun.
I will shake the whole world.
So, uncle, did the white shake? You drive auto rickshaw very well.
That's it, dear. While rolling chapatis at home, I thought I should drive auto rickshaw also. Yes! Wait, I'm also coming! Huh?
Let's go, Gogi, once more. Yes.
Hey, my son Gogi turned out to be a star kid. He got launched at such a young age. Oh yeah,
Sodiji, please move!
Oh no!
Oh dear, Daya. Oh God, my papad. Daya, my papad.
Madhuri, take this.
Huh? Oh wow.
While I'm at it, I'll get them the clothes too. Ah.
Yeah.
Passengers, please pay attention. 2 doors in front, 2 doors in back.
Hey Sonam, what are you saying?
This is how we talk in the air. I have seen on TV.
Now watch this.
Yay! Oh wow, Tapuda! I am having so much fun.
It is back. Oh no.
Hooray! Yay!
Hey, look over there, a flying rickshaw.
Yeah. No! Cancel! Cancel! Cancel!
Yay! Now let's try this. Mom, I will catch you.
Wow, Tapuda! What a catch!
Hooray!
Oh, this is your shop only, Anjali ji, Babita ji.
Okay, please pack it.
Anjali! Babita! Bargain little more. He sells this sari at a high price.
Nowadays, I'm hearing their voice. Do living people also have ghosts? Read Harry Potter doesn't show any fake news. That auto is flying and a man is hanging on behind. All this is fake. Wait. It's real. This news is real. Don't change the channel.
Nowadays, who knows what kind of news keeps coming? Hey, Baga, look. This looks like our own market, right?
Not just market, Sethi. This flying mistress and the children also seems to be known.
What?
Hi, Dad.
What are you doing in the auto, Tapu?
Dad, we are going to station to pick up Sundar uncle.
Oh, son, let it land first. You will take him inside from the plane itself.
Jethalal, just let me get down once. Then see, I will shake your whole world. Just remember that. Hey, Goli, Hey, what are you doing?
Sir, your world was shaken, right?
Huh?
Hey, Tapo!
Sir?
What are you doing up there?
Mom! Look, there's Sundar uncle. Huh? Oh, my brother
Sister!
Sundar is here. Turn the auto quickly. Oh, Mom! Come inside. I will try to stop it now. Mom!
Oh no! What are you guys doing? Oh no!
Oh no! Can someone help?
Oh, Daya, what are you doing?
Tapo, the button has G and O written on it. Should I press it? No, press the button next to it. Okay, the one in which MISSILE is written. No! Then okay, I will press this button. What is written on it? It says reject. Oh.
Daya!
I'm unable to hold on.
Indian burger.
You killed it, Tapu! Oh. Huh? Oh. 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 Oh.
Oh, you are back again. Stop. Come here and tell me, according to theorem number 3 in formula number 511, who broke what is made by mixing H2SO4 and H2O?
What are you trying to say?
Who broke my auto rickshaw?
Did you? Did you? Did you break?
There is no one ahead, my dear brother-in-law. It's you, and you will only pay for all the damages done.
Yes, Tapu's dad. Dad, after paying for damages, please come home very quickly. Today I have made that for you.
That what?
Oh, that thing which is round and brownish.
You made stones for me? Huh?
Oh no, the one that is eaten with dum.
With them? A beating? Oh, Daya, that's enough now. Let's go home.
Cook some potatoes or something. I'm hungry.
Oh yes, those same potatoes. Let's go and eat potato curry.
Huh? Hey, Daya, are you cutting cucumber? Let me show you how to cut it.
Oh wow! Wow, Dad! Wow!
Hey, where did the cucumber pieces go?
Over here, Jetia.
Oh, Dad.
Move aside, move aside.
Listen very carefully. Today I have for you.
Yes, brother, I know. There is one good news and one bad news.
No, sir.
And?
Today I only have one piece of bad news.
Oh my goodness me! Oh my goodness me!
First, listen to the news, please.
Yes, sorry.
Look closely.
To whom, brother?
Shut up, man. You're cutting my flow.
Hey, speak up, brother. What do you want to say?
Look very closely at these innocent children playing around you.
And?
Your innocent children could be kidnapped.
Huh?
Dad, what are you doing?
Huh?
Two kidnappers named Luka Chubi are roaming in your city. Be careful. A moment of distraction can lead to mishap.
Hi, Goli.
You didn't bring your cycle today, Tappu.
No, man. Dad arranged a school van for me. Oh! Oh! Oh!
But why?
Because two kidnappers are roaming around. You guys be careful on your way too.
Bye, Tappu.
Bye.
Luka!
Chuppy!
Luka!
See you will be Chuppy!
Yeah!
What are you doing, Uncle?
I am trying to catch you.
Smart, very smart. Uncle is trying to play tag with you, son.
Okay, playing tag. Uncle, I am the champion of this game. Champion! Catch me? Come on, Uncle, catch me. What? Uncle, here! This is so much fun, Uncle. Come on, catch me. Yeah! Yeah!
Huh?
Uncle, here! Yay! Is that all? Or want some How did you like the free airline service? Hey, the uncles have fainted. Grandpa says we should always help those in need. Maybe their address is on their phone. Huh? Take a left from here, uncle. Left. Stop right here. Their GPS is showing this location. There you go.
Wait, please wait. Let us go. We haven't done anything.
Uncle, wake up, uncle. You guys fainted while playing tag in the park.
Then why did you imprison us in your own home?
This is your house, uncle.
How did you find out our hideout? I mean, our house address, kiddo?
From the GPS on your mobile.
Oh, that's very interesting. Our mobile has GPS too.
Yes, uncle. Look, it shows your complete location, where we are at this moment. Wait, I will send this location to my friends right now.
Give the mobile to me. If you send this location to your friends, we will have to change this location also. Oh, I don't understand. Where does it turn off from?
Okay, uncle. I will be going now.
Smart, very smart. We have kidnapped you, kiddo.
Oh, kidnap? Are you those two kidnappers by any chance?
Yes, we are. Luca. Chuppy. Luca. Chuppy. We are the kidnappers.
But uncle, I came here on my own and I even brought you with me.
It's one and the same thing. Whether the knife falls on the melon or melon falls on the knife. In the end, melon gets cut, right? Tell us your home address, kiddo.
But uncle, when I'm hungry, I can't remember anything.
Okay, kid, tell me, what do you want to eat?
Uncle, I want to have pizza.
Son, this uncle makes very delicious paratha and potato curry.
Pizza!
All right, man, all right. Take this money and bring pizza.
Hey!
B.
C D E L G H I J K.
LMNO.
Got stuck, didn't you, you fool? Are you more educated than me? By the way, where are you heading?
From PP, I remember I am going to get pizza.
Why is the child screaming?
He is insisting on eating pizza.
How many children do you have?
Just one has made my life hell, Inspector.
Dashing Inspector Palto Sen.
Sorry, sir. It was a mistake by mistake. Dashing Inspector.
Hey, sir, look at this. How much his face resembles?
That's not him. There were two of them and this is one. Go, bring pizza for the kids. And listen, bring 2 garlic breads for me as well.
Nom nom.
No, Luca! I have brought this for the dashing Inspector Paitu Singh.
Hey, who is this dashing Inspector Paitu Singh? Huh?
The same person whom I met outside.
Oh, wow, so interesting. The police have found their way here looking for us. Kiddo, you have eaten the pizza also. Now tell us your home address.
I can't seem to remember.
Then at least give us your home telephone number.
1 0 0.
Oh, idiot, this is the police's number. Here you go, Inspector.
Dashing Inspector.
Sorry, dashing Inspector. Here are your garlic breads.
So you had called 100 number to give this to me?
Yes, yes, indeed.
Then it's fine. We don't like it when someone calls us for work.
Look at this, sir.
Yes? No, no, this is not him. There were two of them. This is one.
You know,
Round Singh.
Yes, Inspector.
Let's go on our round.
I'm getting really bored here, Uncle.
Smart boy. Now quickly tell us your address.
Yes, on one condition, Uncle. First, you have to bring my friends here. Then I will tell you my home address.
What's the benefit of bringing his friends here?
Hey, idiot, more kids, more money.
Dad, balloon!
Hey, where did my gogi go?
Move from here. Kidnapped. Oh dear, where did she go? Kidnapped.
Where have we come, Tappu?
Wasn't I telling you about the kidnappers outside the school?
Yes, yes.
These are the two.
Hello, kids.
Does this mean we have been kidnapped?
Only I have been kidnapped. Okay, tell me, what will you all eat? This chubby uncle's pizza is very tasty.
He makes.
No, he brings it.
For me, a mushroom pizza with extra cheese.
A double-decker burger for me. Pizza for me too. And juice.
Oh. Hey, idiot, we are not waiters, we are kidnappers. Kidnappers. Stop acting like waiters, you moron. Wow.
But uncle, we all are very hungry. You will have to order pizza and juice for us.
Hey kids, pizza and juice are very harmful, you know. I'll do one thing. I'll make lemon juice for every one of you. It will be fun, you know.
Pizza, pizza,
Sell this and bring pizza and juice for them.
I have already recited ABCD for you, Inspector.
Dashing Inspector.
Yes, that's the one. Dashing Inspector.
Where are you going?
To get pizza for the kids.
To get pizza for kids? How many children are there?
4.
pizza, 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 pizza.
I'm leaving. Otherwise, these kids will create a ruckus.
There was only one child in the afternoon. How come it became 4 so quickly? Where is the kidnapper's poster, Ram Singh?
There's the poster.
Hey, the poster!
Hey kids, it's about to be night. Don't you want to go home? Quickly tell me your home address.
It's no use, uncle. Our parents won't give you a single penny. They will say you can just keep us with you. Your whole plan is wrong, uncle.
How's that?
If you had kidnapped my dad instead of me, you would have got any prize you asked for.
Where should I kidnap your father from?
Wrong question again. You should be asking that how to kidnap my dad. Come here.
Oh, very interesting. ITIRST. Take this, sell this too.
Hey, hey,
Throw the ball.
Kapu, what is this mischief, huh?
It's not mischief, it's reality, Dad. We all have been kidnapped.
What?
Now, whatever you have, take it out quietly.
Brother, I have only this much money, which I came here counting. Here, take this.
Smart boy.
Hey.
Now tell me quickly, where do you keep your money?
My money. Daya handles it.
Paper, scissor.
Hello.
Daya, how did you get here?
My brother got me here.
Oh, Sundar. When did Sundar come here?
Oh no, the one a kid's game is named after.
What, Tag? Oh, Daya, how can Tag be a brother, huh?
Oh no, the one kids do when they make a mistake.
Daya, will you stop playing this hide and seek of words? Huh?
Yes, that one.
What? Luca? Luca is the name of this kidnapper.
No, Chuppy. My brother Chuppy brought me here. This brother Chuppy told me that you needed money. So I brought the money for you.
This Daya will one day get me robbed for sure.
Here you go, Tappu's father. I brought everything I had.
Hey? Hey Daya, today for the first time I'm happy about you being like this.
But Tappu's father, please tell me why you are hiding here with all the children of Gokuldham.
Hey Daya, we have all been kidnapped.
Oh my goodness me! I will go get the police right now.
Hey.
No one can leave until you give money to me.
Here you go.
Not coins. I want notes. Notes. I have already spent so much money. My gold chain and bracelet are also gone.
I don't have notes. But yes, Sodiji is supposed to give us our money today.
Kidnapped.
That money I have kept with Roshan.
Kidnapped. Oh, Daya, today I made spicy okra just the way you do. Look, it has turned out very delicious.
Oh wow! I also love spicy okra. I am fed up with you. Sometimes you want this, sometimes that. Have you come for a feast?
But uncle, we are your guests, aren't we?
Not guest. You people are devils. Do you understand devils?
Stop, you fool!
Just tell me straight, where is the money? I will count to 3.
Why? Don't you know how to count beyond that, uncle?
Oh, you turned out to be a huge devil.
Huh? Oh, Dada.
Very interesting. Dashing Inspector, arrest them.
Yes, they have robbed us, ruined us.
Yes, they ate up my gold chain, ring, watch, everything.
Both match. How long will they play hide and seek with us? Thank you, Google. I'm so sorry.
You're welcome, sir.